10th class physics, reflection of light at curved surface. Explain the nature of images formed with the help of a ray diagram when an object is placed at different points before a concave mirror. Case 1, object placed at the infinity, that means behind C. Case 2, object placed behind C, in between the center of the curvature and the infinity. Case 3, the object placed at the center of the curvature. Case 4, the object placed in between the focus and the center of the curvature. Fifth case, object placed at the focal point. Sixth case, the object placed in between the focal and the focus. Case 1, when the object is placed at infinity, the object is placed at the infinity, the rays are coming from the infinity. This is the R1 ray, strikes the mirror, it's reflected ray passing through the focus. It is the second ray that strikes the mirror, the reflected ray passing through the focus. It is the normal. This is the normal. Third ray strikes the mirror, then reflected ray passing through the focus. This is the normal. Fourth ray strikes the mirror, the reflected ray passing through the focus. The image is formed at the focal point F of the mirror. The nature of the image is real and fine sized. Case 2, when the object is placed behind C or placed between infinity and center of curvature C. The image formed between focus and the center of the curvature C. The nature of the image, a real, inverted and smaller image or diminished image. This is the R1 ray, the reflected ray passing through the focus. R2 ray passing through the focus, then the reflected ray parallel to the principal axis. These two rays are intersect at one common point, that is the image point. The nature of the image is a real image. Real image means the image formed in front of the mirror and inverted and smaller size. Case 3, when the object is placed at center of curvature, the image also formed at C. The image also formed at C. The nature of image, a real, inverted and same sized image. This is the incident ray parallel to the principal axis, the reflected ray passing through the focus. Second ray passing through the focus, then the reflected ray parallel to the principal axis. These two rays are intersect at one common point, that is the image point. When the object is placed at the C, the image also formed at the C. Same size of the image formed at the center of the curvature. Case 4, when the object is placed between focus and the center of the curvature. This is the object placed between the focus and the center of the curvature. These two, the R1 ray strikes the mirror, the reflected ray passing through the focus. second ray is the R2, then the reflected ray parallel to the principal axis. These two rays are intersect at one common point behind the center of the curvature. The image is formed B and C. The nature of image, a real image and the inverted and the bigger size image. Case 5. When the object is placed at focus, first R1 ray strikes the mirror, then the reflected ray passing through the focus. Second ray seems to be passing through the center of the curvature. Then the reflected ray passing through the center of the curvature. The image is formed at the infinity. The nature of image, a real, inverted and large image. Case 6. When the object is placed between pole and focus. This is the object in between the pole and the focus. First ray 1 parallel to the principal axis, then the reflected ray seems to be passing through the focus. Second one, R2 ray passing through the direction of the center of the curvature. The reflected ray also passing through the center of the curvature. These two rays are intersect at one common point, backside of the mirror. So it is called visual image. The image formed behind the mirror, that is known as the visual image. The nature of the image, a visual image enlarged, that means larger than object, and erect image,